Well, this is what's left from our ice storm. Last week it started sleeting on Wednesday. Well, it rained and then sleeted all night. Thursday it finally froze hard and it was a huge mess. There are inches and inches of ice on the ground. And Thursday we had expected our chicks to arrive in the mail. And they didn't because the roads were impassable. So we had very low hopes that they would make it here. And so today's Monday, just about a week after they shipped, and our fears were correct. They didn't survive the trip here from the hatchery in Iowa. Poor little guys. There's 48 of them in here and very disappointed. But we've been talking with the hatchery. It's Hoover's Hatchery. And they will replace the entire order, or the exact order, this week. So I'm excited about that. I've been on the phone with them and they are very encouraging and helpful. So we're not sponsored by Hoover's Hatchery at all, but we do recommend them. So that is something to look forward to. We will have chicks for the brooder later this week. Maybe they will be here on Friday. So with big storms afterwards come clear skies, and the skies are beautiful. This is a third day of just clear, beautiful, no clouds, and it's awesome. And it's especially awesome for our solar. It's cold, but solar doesn't care if it's cold. Solar doesn't care if it's hot. Solar just cares that it's getting direct sun. And even when it's cloudy, we get a little bit, but I can look on our app here, which I watch it all the time. It's a little bit addictive. Right now it is 11:18 in the morning and it's pulling down 9.6 kilowatts. So that's pretty stinking cool. The house is using 4.5 kilowatts and the battery is being recharged. So the battery is up to 43%. So once the battery is at 100%, then the extra we go back to the grid. So that is cool. We like it a lot. Trying to make it brighter, but I can't. Anyway, again, we are not sponsored by Sunrun, but we do recommend them. They're the solar company that we found through Costco, and they did an excellent job. So again, not sponsored by anyone, just want to recommend a few things if you guys are interested in solar or in chicks. Let us know in the comments below, and if you have any questions, we would be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.